Hey Albert, hey track fans, how you doing? And we're trackside with a Mercedes AMG GT3. Look at that bad boy there. He's been on the track before. He's a firm track fan's favourite, and we're going to drive him around this epic track. Are you ready? Let's drive straight through and into an underpass there, up to an R1. Sorry, an R3, and another R3 and another R3. There's 3 R3s in a go. Along the overpass, round into Chicago. Going to hit the under the bridge, round up into the drift circle, down. Gambon corner is up there. We'll take a walk around there in a second, but we're on the ring road again. This is the speed lap where we're going to get some speed up in a minute once we've got some confidence in the course. And we're coming around, down into the underpass, round drift circle, heading up for Gambon corner. There he is. Bit of kick out there. Nice Mercedes. Let's have some speed. Not too much because I'm filming and I will stack it. But we'll get some in a minute. I'll take my eye off the camera and I'll watch the track and we'll do some good driving. Here we go, track fans. Way, got some speed, Albert. Did you see that? Really like this car. It is so smooth and super fast. Here we go. Let's get some speed around that R3 bends. Yes. Stepping it up. We haven't even done a lane change yet. That's how exciting this track is. So then, Albert, you playing with your Scalextric stuff? How's that working out for you? You got some tracks going on now. How about you guys, track fans? Michael, how's Arc Air Pro working? Excellent. Well done, guys. Right, I'm bringing it round now. Gambon. Last lap, track fans. What a track it is as well. Speedy Gonzalez over the overpass there. Round Chicago, down under the bridge, round the corner to the drift circle. Nicely into Gambon, and we've overshot the exit, but there you go anyway. Mercedes AMG GT3. See you later, track fans.